Welcome to today's session. In this video, we will discuss evergreen content, what it is, why it is important in SEO, and how you can create it to drive traffic for years. Evergreen content is SEO content that remains relevant and valuable over time. It continues to attract traffic long after it is published because the topic doesn't go out of date. Examples include how-to guides, FAQs, industry basics, and beginner's guide. These stay useful regardless of trends or seasonal changes. Not all content is evergreen. News articles, trend-based posts, event announcements, and time-sensitive data lose relevance quickly. Evergreen content provides ongoing organic traffic, improves keyword rankings, and builds authority in your niche without constantly rewriting. It earns backlinks, improves click-through rates, and keep your site relevant in search results for years with minimal updates. Choose topics that won't change often. Use keyword research to find lasting search terms and make content comprehensive and easy to update. Use proper headings, internal links, meta description, and relevant images. Refresh the content periodically to keep it accurate. Track organic traffic, keyword rankings, and engagement metrics in Google Analytics and Google Search Console to see how content performs over time. Avoid picking short-lived topics, neglecting updates, or failing to target the right keywords. Evergreen content still needs maintenance. Evergreen content is a long-term SEO asset. By focusing on timeless topics and optimizing for search, you can generate traffic and authority for years. Thank you for watching. Start creating evergreen content today to build a sustainable SEO strategy that works for the future. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel right now.
To know more about this topic in detail or to enroll in our online course, click on the link given in the video description below. Thank you.